When conventional hardware store paint just won't cut it, this is Seymour's MRO, a high solids industrial strength enamel. MRO was specifically designed and intended for heavy-duty industrial applications where maximum protection and performance is a must. This high solids formula means it won't run or sag and provides twice the coverage of a conventional spray paint can. You'll actually find that a single can will actually go a long way. Now, MRO does take a little bit longer to fully cure, but that is the small trade-off to the extremely durable hard coat this stuff forms. Once fully cured, it provides an unbelievable abrasion resistance and resistance to gas, oil, chemicals, and is actually very UV stable as well. MRO enamels come in a variety of popular OSHA-approved colors and can be applied directly to metal. But for maximum protection, it's always recommended using MRO along with our primers. And additionally, Seymour also offers our popular Cast Blast, Alumiblast, and stainless steel lacquers that contain actual metal material mixed in with the pigment. MRO's unbeatable performance makes this the perfect go-to for all your maintenance, repair, and operations projects, anything from facility maintenance to protecting and maintaining heavy machinery.